Unraveling the phrase, rest shot. Hello, dear learners. Today, we're diving deep into the world of English phrases to unravel the meaning of rest shot. By the end of this video, you'll not only understand its meaning but also be able to use it confidently in conversations. Let's start by looking at the two words individually. Rest. This word, as a noun, typically means a pause or a break. As a verb, it might mean to lay down or to place something on a support. Shot often refers to an attempt or a try, but it can also mean a photograph, a hit in sports, or a small drink of alcohol. But when these words come together as rest shot, they don't necessarily mean a combination of the above. Context plays a crucial role. In billiards, snooker, rest shot refers to a shot where the player uses a rest, a stick with a special head, to support the cue. This is usually done when the ball is too far away to reach comfortably. In general context, outside of the realm of cue sports, if someone uses the term rest shot, they might be referring to a situation where someone is taking a break or pause before making an attempt at something. To truly grasp any term, it's helpful to see it in action. Here are some examples. 1. In billiards, that's a tricky angle for a shot. I think he's going to need a rest shot. 2. General usage. Before the final presentation, I took a quick rest shot by grabbing a coffee. And there you have it. Rest shot is one of those English phrases whose meaning can differ based on context. Whether you're chatting about snooker or discussing daily events, understanding this phrase will surely elevate your conversational prowess. We hope this video has been enlightening, and remember, the key to mastering any language is consistent practice. Happy learning!